Kyle, we've been doing life together for almost 6 years now, and I can't tell you the exact moment I fell in love with you because it's truly the smallest things you do that made me fall in love. It's because of you that I have learned how to truly, deeply love someone.
Danielle, from this day forward, I promise to love you as you deserve to be loved, hold you when you need to be held, make you laugh, smile, and make sure you go to sleep full of happiness every night like you deserve. You are one of the hardest working people I have ever met, and never let obstacles or adversity slow you down. I love you so much, and you are the best thing that has ever happened to me. The great thing about it is that the best just keeps getting better.
Kyle, will you have this woman to be your wife, and will you promise your life to her in all love and honor, and in all duty and service, and in faith and tenderness, to live with her, cherish her, according to the ordinance of God, in the holy bond of marriage? If so, answer, I will.
I will.
Danielle, will you have this man to be your husband, and do you promise your life to him in all love and honor, in all duty and service, in all faith and tenderness, to live with him and to cherish him according to the ordinance of God in the holy bond of marriage? If so, answer, I will.
I will.
You may kiss the bride.
Love is overcoming obstacles, facing challenges, fighting to be together, holding on and never letting go. It is a short word, easy to spell, difficult to define, and impossible to live without. Love is work, but most of all, love is realizing that every hour, every minute, every second of it was worth it because you did it together.